Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. In today's video, we are going to prove that this inequality is true. But before that, hit the subscribe button in the video corner for more challenging exercises. In order to solve this inequality of advanced mathematics, I will use decomposition, common factor, and two magic formulas, partial fractions. In this example, I am going to use 1 over a multiplied with b equals with 1 over b minus a multiplied with 1 over a minus 1 over b. And also I'm going to use b minus a over a multiplied with b equals with 1 over a minus 1 over b. Let's see how we apply these two formulas on my example. And I have 5 over 4 multiplied with 9 plus 7 over 9 multiplied with 16 plus 9 over 16 multiplied with 25 plus 11 over 25 multiplied with 36. This one equals with 9 minus 4 over 4 multiplied with 9. Yes, basically I'm going to rewrite the denominator, the results of denominator. I'm going to write it as 9 minus 4 plus, because 9 minus 4 equals 5. So basically I have 5 over 4 multiplied with 9 plus 16 minus 9 over 9 multiplied with 16 plus 25 minus 16 over 16 multiplied with 25 plus 36 minus 25 over 25 multiplied with 36. Now I am going to write the results at difference. So I have 1 over 4 minus 1 over 9. I have used now this formula plus 1 over 9 minus 1 over 16 plus 1 over 16 minus 1 over 25 plus 1 over 25 minus 1 over 36 equals with. Now I am going to dissolve the brackets. Equals furthermore with 1 over 4 minus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 minus 1 over 16 plus 1 over 16 minus 1 over 25 plus 1 over 25 minus 1 over 36 equals with. Now I can see that these fractions are simplified. So I have as results 1 over 4 minus 1 over 36 equals with. In here I'm going to find the common factor and I'm going to amplify this one with 9, and I have 9 multiplied with 1 over 9 multiplied with 4 minus 1 over 36 equals with 9 minus 1 equals 8 over 36. And I'm going to simplify in here by 4 and results 2 over 9. Come back to my initial inequality. results that 1 over 9 is less than 2, 2 over 9. My results less than 1 over 3, which is a true relationship. So let's have a recap. In this example, I use partial fraction decomposition, which is the process of breaking a simple complex fraction into multiple simple fractions. Basically, I have separated and rewritten my initial fractions using decomposition formulas. Okay, that's it for today. Hit the subscribe button in the video corner and come back tomorrow for more. Thank you.